Hello students, warmly welcome to you all in the online English class. In today's session, we will introduce to the topic determiners. Right? In this unit, we will go over the importance of determiners, definition of the determiners, types of the determiners, and we will also explore uses of the determiners. Right? Now come to the topic, and before initiate the topic point, all of you must have copy and pen. Because of this, you can note down the important points. So look here, I have written here first point, importance. Before going in the deepest of the topic, it is our responsibility to know that what is the importance of determiners. Why this topic is given in the syllabus. Try to listen. Determiners are very important topic, very important part of English grammar because they work to clarify the nouns and make a sentence as exact and focused as possible. I am going to note here determiners are very important part of English, important part of English grammar, right? Because they clarify, to the nouns and make a sentence as exact and focused as possible. Right? Once again, try to recite, try to repeat. Determiners are very important part of English grammar, no doubt, because they clarify to the nouns. Right? It means determiners work as to clarify the nouns and make a sentence, make a statement, make a quote as exact and focused as possible. It means we can say that by the using of correct determiners, we can make our statement, sentences as accurate, centralized as well as focused. I hope you understood what I am trying to say to you all. Next point I have written here, definition. What is the definition of determiners? How we will recognize that what are the correct determiners? So try to know it. I am going to erase it. Determiners are particular words right? Determiners are particular words which are used before the nouns and serve as to modify the nouns. Right? Once again, determiners are particular words which are used before the nouns, not after the nouns. Before the nouns and serve as to modify the noun, to clarify the nouns. It means in another sense we can say that determiners are particular words which fix, limit, quantify to the nouns. Right? I hope you understood how we can recognize to the determiners. It means determiner, throughout the determiners we can fix the meaning of noun, we can limit the meaning of noun, we can quantify to the nouns. In another sense we can say that under the determiners we discuss the proximity and position of the noun as well as limitations of the noun also. Okay? Now I am going to erase it and going to explain next point, and that point is types of determiners. Okay? Types of determiners. Now come to the point. This is completed. Now we are going to discuss this point. Types of determiners. Right? I am going to note one by one. First one is article determiner. Article determiners. Next one is demonstrative. Demonstrative determiners. Next one is position determiners. Right? Next one is quantified determiners. Next one is numeral determiners. Next one is interrogative determiners. Okay? First one is article determiners, demonstrative determiners, after that possessive determiners, quantified determiners, numeral determiners and interrogative determiners. Except of these you can also mention distributive determiners, and there are so many names. We can categorize it under the other determiners. Right? Now we will discuss all of these one by one. First one I have written article determiners. Okay, what are the article determiners we will discuss. So now I am going to erase it and we will discuss about the article determiners. In each and every statement and sentence, we find out and the. These three specific words are called determiners. But these three words are categorized in a specific division. That division is called definite article and indefinite article. It means article determiners are categorized into two parts. First one is definite article, and next one is indefinite article. Right? Under the definite article, there is only one word, the. Right? And under the indefinite article, there is two words. First one is of and second one is I. Once again, try to listen. There are two kinds of article determiners. First one is definite article and second one is indefinite article. Under the definite article, there is the, and under the indefinite article, there is of and I. Okay? Now we will learn what are the uses of definite article the, how we can use and where we can use. So now come to the topic, uses of articles. Which kind of article? Definite article. Under the article determiners, we are going to learn how to use definite article the. Okay, first point I am going to note down here. We use definite article the with the names of musical instruments. Right? With the names of musical instruments, we have to use definite article the, such as she plays the tabla. Right? You played the piano very well. The harmonium, the trumpet, like this, you can use it. Next point is that we use definite article the with the name of invented things, invented articles, invented objects. With the names of invented things, right? For example, we can clarify it with the help of some certain examples. The television, right? The radio, the cell phone, right? I hope all of you are understanding very well what I am trying to say. With the names of invented things, with the names of invented articles, invented objects, it is very compulsory to to put the definite article the. Right? Now come to the next meaning of the. We use definite article. We use definite article the with the names of things which are only one in the universe. Right? For example, the sun, the moon, like this. The east, the west. You can add some more examples under this point. Next point is that we use definite article the. We use definite article the with the names of religious books, newspapers, right? For example, we can clarify with the help of some certain examples. The Ramcharitmanas, right? The Quran, right? The Gita. Under the newspaper category, we can note down the Times of India, right? The Hindu, like this. This is also newspaper. I hope you understood it very well. And matter is that sometimes we speak it the and sometimes we speak it the. What is difference between it? So try to know about it. If the word initiates with vowel letter and before it there is the, we have to speak the, right? If the word initiates with vowel letter and before it there is the, then we have to speak the. And after that, if there is word and it initiates with consonant letter, then we have to use the, right? If there is vowel, we have to speak the, right? And after that, if there is consonant, we have to speak the, and the spelling is same, right? Now, I hope all of you understood what is the difference between pronunciation and why it is different. Next point, uses of the. It means another point. We use article, different article the with the name of club, foundation, right? Such as the United Nation, the UN, right? The WHO, like this. In today's session, just we learn what are the uses of definite article the. Just I spoke to you all that we use definite article the with the name of musical instruments. We use definite article the with the name of elemental articles. We use definite article with the names of club, foundation, committee, right? Some more uses are there of the definite article the. Okay, we will discuss it more in another session, and we will also learn what are the uses of indefinite article and. Okay, in next session we will learn it so don't worry. I hope you learn a lot from this session. Thank you for being a better part of this video.